Today we are doing a revisit to Highlands Hammock State Park in Sebring, Florida. We were here last summer, but I used a different camera at the time, so we decided to come back today and give this place another look around. Last time we came here, the water was only about a foot from the bottom of this deck. Yeah, the water's way down compared to how it was whenever I came here in the summer. But we're gonna look to see if there's any good-sized gators in here. I've seen video of in the past, so we'll see. And this boardwalk's only about 2 feet wide at that. Okay, continuing on. This is definitely a trail if you don't have very good balance. Probably don't want to do this one. But if that's not an issue, then it's a great thing to try. Just really watch your step. See all the cypress knees down there. And this trail is a loop trail. Okay guys, so we're going to the Ancient Hammock Trail now. The goal today is to do a minimum of 3 trails. From what I've seen on the map, the Ancient Hammock Trail is the longest trail within the park. Okay, let's start the Ancient Hammock Trail. So today primarily we're going to be looking for wildlife wise, gators, snakes, birds, maybe some gopher tortoises if we're lucky enough to find some. But who knows, it's Florida, you never know what you may find. Okay, I brought you guys out so you can see the size of this tree here. This thing is huge. And it goes out and over that way. Take a look at the base of this thing here. This thing is enormous. There's a den in there. There's actually food cold in there. It's probably hollowed out up and in. Okay, I brought you guys back out to look at this big oak tree here. Looks quite large. See the base of it. Okay, so we've made it around to the Fern Garden Trail. Let's see what we've got back in here. This will hopefully be a really good walk. And with any luck, we'll find some good gators back in here. Okay, so we're still poking around the fern trail. Just want to point you guys out to something again. I've pointed out in other videos too, but like down in here where the ground's all tore up, that's all wild boar. It's causing all that. Over there digging around. They tend to be very destructive. So I came across this little side trail. It's obviously been put here for a reason. Just looking at the water, make sure there's no gators in it. pretty interesting. Alright, let's get up through here without getting attacked by any animals. Alright, so we made it through that.